It's Mr. Lopez. Welcome back to the Struggle Bus. Alright, let's get on and start the ride. Alright, let me just start reading this one. It says, Kaylee has 15 feet of ribbon. She cuts it into 5 equal size lengths. How long is each piece of ribbon in inches? Alright, and I see in parentheses there, 1 foot equals 12 inches. So immediately I start thinking, I'm probably going to have to convert. And I see that they give me 15 feet of ribbon. She cuts it into 5 equal sized lengths. How long is each piece of ribbon in inches? So how long is each piece? That means just one of the pieces, not all of them. Alright, I see here they give me the ribbon in feet. My answer is going to have to be in inches, so one of my steps is going to be converting at some point. And again, if I look here at all my answers, they're all in inches. So if I'm a little bit confused if I'm going to have to convert or not, then just take a look at what they give you and what kind of answer they want. So that tells me their conversion. All right. So let's take a look at that first sentence again, because that's also very important. So let's see. Kaylee has 15 feet of ribbon, and she cuts it into 5 equal size lengths. So let's visualize that by making a picture of Kaylee's ribbon. All right, not going to be too pretty. You don't really worry about making that perfect. So here we have 15 feet. Let's see, 15, if I can get it to right. I think I'm struggling here. 15 feet. Alright, so 15 feet, and I'm going to cut it into 5 equal size pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I know that's not equal, but it's just a visual just to help me do the math and think this out. Okay, so I've cut this into 5 equal size pieces. So you have to think. Alright, so what operation is this? Is this multiplication? Is it addition? Is it subtraction? Or is it going to be a case of division? Now, I'm not making more 15 feet, so it cannot be can't be multiplication. I am not adding any more pieces, so that should tell me that it's not addition. I'm not using any of these pieces or taking them or giving them away, so it is not a case of subtraction. So I'm left with division, and that kind of goes in line with what the first sentence tells us. She has 15 feet. She decides to cut it into 5 equal lengths, so we are dividing the 15 feet into 5 pieces. We're dividing, and we're dividing by 5. So 15 divided by 5. So let's go ahead and take care of that. First things first, 15 feet divided by 5. All right. And let's see, 5, 10, 15. Well, there's our multiple, so I can stop there. 1, 2, 3. All right, 5 will not go into this one, but 5 will go into this 15. And I see my multiple of 15 there. This 3 goes to the top, and it goes right here next to this digit right here. And my 15 goes at the bottom, and I subtract. 15 minus 15 is 0. Leaves me a remainder of 0. So I know that I don't have any more numbers to divide. So now I'm left knowing that each piece is 3 feet long. 3 feet. That's 3 feet. This is 3 feet. This is 3 feet. This is 3 feet. And my last piece here is 3 feet. Alright, and just in case I was thinking that maybe I made an error in my division here, if we multiply 3 times 5 pieces, we get our answer back. 3 times 5 is 15. So I know my division was pretty solid, and I don't have to worry about having made a mistake. All right, so I do advise you to do your checks. Okay. Now, does that answer my question? I see a 3 here, so some of us might be confused, and we might think, okay, that kind of solves everything. But did I really answer my question? How long is each piece of ribbon in inches? So if we look here, our original measurement was feet, and we have not converted yet. All we've done is cut our ribbon into 5 pieces, and each one of them is 3 feet, not in inches. So we need to find out how many inches is in each piece. So just each means 1. So we need to just find out how many inches are in this piece maybe. All right. So take a look at my conversion table here. I see 1 foot equals inches. So I'm going from a large measurement down to a small measurement. So that tells me immediately that I'm going to have to multiply instead of divide. And my magic number here for this conversion from feet to inches is 12. All right, so let's take our piece here, 3 feet. To convert this into inches, I'm going to have to multiply by 12. So I'm just going to multiply this. Put my 12 up at the top there, just to make my life easier. All right, 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times this 1 is 3. And then I've converted 3 feet into inches. So now my new measurement is in inches. All right, let's see if I can write that like that. All right, so 36 inches is my answer. That's my step 2, and right here, 36 inches. Easy as that. All right, let's just recap. I said Kelly had 15 feet of ribbon. She cuts it into 5 equal sized lengths. This sentence right there tells me what I have and how many pieces I'm going to divide this ribbon into 5 pieces. So first I find that out, and here's a picture that I drew. 15 feet divided by 5 gave me 3 feet for each one of these pieces, and then I have to convert because the question here says how long is each piece of ribbon in inches. Alright, so I took one of my pieces, I multiplied it by my magic number because I'm going from a big measurement down to a little measurement, and that gave me the answer of 36 inches. Alright, not as hard as maybe we might have thought it was. Alright, well, thank you for listening, and I will be giving you a quiz. Until the quiz, have a nice time.